Hello, in this video I will explain to you on how to solve this problem. Let's read the problem. First, what voltage will produce 0.25 ampere of current through 5400 ohm resistor? Okay, so we have a resistor here. Let's draw a resistor here, and we have the current that pass through it is 0.25 ampere. Right, so the I here is equal to 0.25 ampere, but then this resistance here is 5400 of ohm, and we need to find out the potential difference. Maybe let's use another color here. So we need to find out the potential difference between this one and this one, right? So we can just use the Ohm's law, right? So because we know the current and also we know the resistance. So what is it? So the voltage is equal to the current times the resistance, and the current is 0.25, and then the resistance is 5400. Good, and I think let's just use calculator for that. So I'll have 0.25 multiplied by 5400, and I will have 3050 here. 1350, and the unit here is in volt. Okay, or maybe if we want to make it easier to read, so I'll have 1.350 multiplied by 10 to the 3 volt, but then 10 to the 3 is kilovolt, right? So I'll have 1.35 kilovolt. And I think that's all for this problem. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.